Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is how to use the emoji. So first you will have to install the library pip install emoji. So I have already installed. Then import library is a import emoji. So it's working. The next is emoji function they used to get or print the text by giving the description. This one is the description. I have given the description, and there is also used for the colon. This one is the colon. So this is the emoji example. Print emoji dot emojis, and where I bracket I pass the thumbs up, then India, red heart and rose. So it print the uh, emoji image like a thumbs up emoji, and India iron red heart. You can see this one is thumbs up, India red heart and rose. Now same thing is there. Print the emoji dot emojis and upside down face, three types of faces. So you can see that these three types of upside, Jenny face and shoeshine face. Okay. So mainly emoji print print the emoji when we describe this, give the description of any emoji. The next one is demoji. Demoji is a also function return the title or name. I have given the name I love apple. So it, this is the variable. You can take anything. I love apple. Then I pass the emoji there. Okay. Then print the emoji dot emojis and pass the variable. So it's give the I love apple, then red heart, because I pass the emoji. So it explain it into it is a red heart. The next example is the same thing. Message where I pass the Gandhiji says that about three monkeys. These are the three monkeys. Then print the emoji dot emoji and where I pass the variable name message. So it's give the text which I have written Gandhiji. Then next it give the monkey face. These are the monkey face. Then see no evil, evil. Then hear no evil. So he is it explain all these monkey. Then same next example is the same also, is a variable where I pass the sum in string, and then I pass the some emojis and print the message. So you can see I have given the tell us about these images. First is megaphone. This was the megaphone. Then mouth. This one is the mouth. Then index pointer up. This is the index pointer. Then speaking head. This is the speaking head. Then face with the hand. Here, this one is the face with the hand. Over mouth is दिया हुआ है. Shine face. This one shine face, and then face screaming in fear. This one. Then gorilla. This one is the gorilla. Okay. Then banana, this one is the banana, and this is the astonished face, this one then. So I have given the emoji that it explain all these emoji in text. The next one is also you can use the print. We know that Python use in Unicode. So there I have passed the some Unicode. First you see the output. This is the Unicode that it was the emoji. So if you want these types of Unicode, you go to the Google, then where you can use the emoji Unicode. This one is the first. Then there is lot of code are there. You can only copy this and then paste it. So it gives the different types of face which you want to use. So this is the third method. You can use the by giving the Unicode. So this is the program about the emoji. Thank you.